So it's my last morning here in Hua Hin, and I wasn't even gonna make a video today. I'm actually hitting the motorbike again, and before I go back to Bangkok, I'm gonna spend one night at a place with another guy that you probably already know, so stay tuned for that video. But as I was getting ready to go, something weird happened, and I thought that it was worthy of making a quick video. For those of you that didn't follow the ride-along series of videos as I came to Hua Hin a couple of days ago, here's a quick recap. All right, there it is. Heading on the highway! This will be the last video where I'm on my own. The next video, I'll have met person number one. I'm gonna call him the Godfather of YouTube for this city that we're going to. Stampede! I've arrived in the final destination, which is Hua Hin. There's something I want you to see. There's something I want to see. But I got time for one quick thing. Got it. Okay. We're gonna have our last very special guest. Before I introduce the Godfather who's sitting right next to me. Okay, so I'm here enjoying my last morning, just kind of getting ready to go and slowly packing up. And then all of a sudden, the doorbell rings. This is awesome, look at this. Dear Chris, love Johnny. So I guess Johnny came through. Johnny, I thought you were just joking last night. He actually sent a gift over, and look at it. It looks pretty special. I think it warrants one of those YouTuber unboxing videos, and we'll see what's inside. Let's check it out. Oh, it's sealed up pretty good. In honor of Peter McKinnon, a really cool YouTuber, also from Toronto. I should see if this place has any sort of knife or blade. Oh, look at this. What do we go? Option number 1, option number 2, or option number 3? I like this one. It's like a little switchblade. All right, prepare for my first unboxing. Let's see what Johnny got me. All right, let's get into this thing. Oh, man, it's like double, triple taped here. It's like, it doesn't feel like it's gonna be something standard. It's got all styrofoam casing. Oh, I hear the seal break. It's cool to the touch, a little bit moist at the seams. I have no idea what to expect, Johnny, but here we go. What type of lunatic are you, Johnny? I'm a little bit scared. Is this because of the Godfather comment? I was just joking around, Johnny. I was joking. I called Johnny the Godfather of Hua Hin. Ooh, it was just a big joke. Next thing you know, a pig's head shows up in a box at my doorstep in the morning when I'm supposed to be leaving town. Out of this place, man. Screw Johnny. Hell out of this town. Johnny, there's something happening here. Yeah, something I don't want to be a part of, man. Got a pig's head at my doorstep. What's wrong with that guy? Never coming back to this place again, man. Screw this place. Screw